Hello everyone, in today's video we are replacing an engine mount on a Peugeot 508. The upper mount is torn and vibration from the engine are passing through to the passenger cabin at idle. So I ordered a new Meyle one that should provide good quality similar to the original. It feels good and has the right weight. Over time we will see if this was a smart decision. First step, we will lift up the car. With a 10mm wrench, we will remove the bottom cover that's attached with a few bolts. Now that we have access to the oil pan, we will lower the car and support the engine with a jack and a wooden block or thick piece of rubber. We will support the engine just slightly, just enough to take the weight off the mounts. We will remove one bolt with a 10mm head that holds the expansion tank in place, so we will have access to release that bolt that supports the mount with a 16mm head. We will remove it along with the second bolt that's located next to it. While I'm loosening the bolt, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. We will take out the old mount. As you can see, it's completely torn and this caused vibration when the engine was running at idle. We will put the new mount in place and reassemble everything in reverse order. We will put the two bolts back in place. Note that the engine is supported by the jack, so we can use a pry bar or a long screwdriver to play with it a bit and get the bolts into position. We will lift the car up a bit to release the jack stand and return the engine weight back onto the mounts. And tighten them well. We will put the expansion tank back in place along with its bolt. We will install back the bottom cover. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, let me know in the comments and I'll see you next time.